Ona thengia wa aruti a wĩra makiria ma 300 gukorwo marutite wĩra kambuni-inĩ ya Beniko mwena wa NAIVASHA kaunti-inĩ ya NAKURU maugite ihinda-inĩ ritanyihiire miaka 13 matikoretwo makiamukira marihi maria mabatie kuheo thutha wa kuhuruka wĩra. Mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 2.5 nicio amemba aya marakinyira kuma kuri kambuni ĩno magitariria ati ũiguano ũrĩa mekiranĩire ndukoretwo ũgikinyanirio.
Mtu anakufa ni sisi tunamchangia, na wakati tunashaga ni wale hata sisi hatuna pesa, sababu ni pension ya wetu, ni tulikuwa wafanyikazi pamoja, kwa hivyo tunaona shida mingi sana.
Mendekithia mao ni kambuni ĩno ikorwo ikiendia umwe wa ũtonga uria mari naguo tauni-inĩ ya NAKURU niguo mahote kuriha thirĩ, magitariria ni mahinyiririkite kuigana ona thengia wa gukorwo ni matungatĩire kambuni ĩno.
This is a divine benefit scheme where a member contributed and an employer also added some percentage on their contributions. But unfortunately, our people have suffered because the pension scheme was mismanaged. The money that the members used to contribute was never remitted to the administrator.
Mwaka muhituku urugamiriri wa kambuni ĩno ni waniriire ati ni urikitie kwandikira marua ministry ya KIGINA niguo metikirio kwendia gicunji kia utonga wao. Amemba aya magikinyiriria ati ni hari bata ndeto ĩno ikorwo ikihanyukio niguo maneo kiria gikiao.
Now we don't know whether the CS Agriculture is well versed with this matter, or what he is doing about this matter. Whenever we go to the PPCK, they tell us they did their parts.
PYRETHRUM has a lot of non-core assets which can be liquidated to pay the pensioners.
Handu-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.